Hi, welcome to Cooper&Hunter. Today we're going to show you how to get the most out of your wall thermostat. First, to power on the unit, you're going to push this button. To set the desired temperature, use the up or down arrows. The unit's currently on cool mode. Push M to cycle through the modes. Dry mode offers cooling while removing moisture from the air. Heat mode offers heating for the room. Fan mode circulates the air without heating or cooling the room. Auto mode offers heating or cooling depending on the set temperature. To adjust the fan speed, push the fan button to cycle between low, medium, high, and auto. For turbo mode, push the function button. This feature will automatically turn off in 30 minutes. This button can be used to adjust the angles of the louvers for ceiling cassettes and universal floor ceiling models. To set the child lock, hold the timer and copy button until a lock appears on the display. To change from a 12-hour clock to a 24-hour clock, press and hold date and timer. To activate the follow me function, push function and the confirm button. When the follow me function is turned on, the ambient room temperature is being read by the thermostat instead of the unit. To set the timer on, push the timer 3 times, then confirm. To turn it off, push it 4 times, and confirm. To set the timer on and off, push it 5 times, and hit confirm. Then you're going to select the time you want the unit to turn on, hit confirm, then the time you want it to turn off. Confirm. To set the weekly timer, push timer, confirm. You're going to select the day, push confirm. You have 4 different settings per day. Select the time that you want it to turn on. Hit confirm. Then select the time you want it to turn off. Hit confirm. You'll notice there's 3 other settings. Once you're done, hit back and choose a different day. When you're done setting up the week, you're going to go back and you're done. The thermostat can also be controlled by Cooper&Hunter remote as long as you're within signal range. Thanks for watching. We hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.